So the next time you want to sound design your video, here are 5 sound effects that you should be using to go viral. And the 5th effect is one that I use a lot. The first sound effect is textured sound effects. Clicks, keyboards, highlighters can all be used to add life to any clip that they are added to. It's kind of like color grading but for audio. The second sound effect is whoosh sound effects. And these sound effects basically make your animation pop. Just make sure to add them to the point with the most blur and you're good to go. The third sound effect are risers and hits. And if you ever wanted to build up emotion or have a suspenseful moment, this is what you're gonna need. Fourth are meme sound effects. You gotta keep your video entertaining, so don't forget to add in a humorous twist. Lastly, the 5th sound effect is digital sound effects. These just work so seamlessly with your animations and they basically just bring them to life.